Hey everyone, thanks for joining me on another video. Let me know the next video you would like to see from me. This was a requested look and I hope you like it. Thank you. Keep on watching. For the eyebrows, we're going to use Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in Ebony and the brow pomade, also by Anastasia Beverly Hills in Ebony. We're going to use this e.l.f. brush to use for the brow pomade, and you can use it to brush up your brows. I might go in with the brow pomade in chocolate if Ebony is too deep. We'll use chocolate for the front of the brows. Okay, I'm going to do the ends of the brow with Ebony. Time to clean up the brows. I'm using this Shayna B concealer brush and my Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Sculpting Concealer in Butterscotch. For today's palette, we are going to use this Carity palette, Picante. And I'm going to go in with this shade, maybe some of this shade, this, some of this. I'm going to use this e.l.f. eye tape. I just cut one into two pieces. Because today we want a sharp look. I'm going to take this brush and the shade Bobby. Now we're going to take the shade in Doom. I'm going to take this Luxie 121 brush and the shade Bittersweet. I'm going to take this Crown brush and this color Sunrise. I'm going to flip the brush to this side and go in with Morning. For liner, we're going to go in with the Tarteist by Tarte Cosmetics. It has a liquid side and a pencil side. I did this side off camera. I'm gonna do this side like that side. Okay, so from here, we're going to take this NYX Mix and Medium and this NYX glitter, a little dish, and a little brush. My YSL primer, Maybelline color corrector, Lancome 500 Suede, and my new It Cosmetics Love is a Foundation Brush for Breast Cancer Awareness Month this month. So they bring one out every October. My Smashbox Primer Water. Fenty Beauty Matchsticks, Truffle and Espresso. Espresso. Truffle. My Scott Barnes 65 brush. Juvia's Place Concealer in number 16. My Morphe sponge. Going in with the Laura Mercier translucent powder this time. This is in translucent. My Morphe sponge. Okay, so from here, it's time to finish up the eyes. We're going to take that Tarte. My hands are wet. I can't get it open. Okay, we're going to take the pencil side and line. waterline. Oh, that's really good. Time to apply the lashes. Makeup Revolution mascara. The Mascara Revolution. Glitter mixture. There's some left. So I'm gonna put a dot right under your brown eyeliner. Well, to finish up the face, we're gonna take my Scott Barnes brush in 67, my Sephora Micro Smooth Powder. Smooth. Today for blush and bronzer, I'm going to use this Tammy Times Makeup Revolution palette. I'm going to use blush, bronzer, a little bit of contour, and I'm going to use this highlighter. Okay, here. Gonna take the same brush, go into the deeper shade. My MAC Fix Plus. The highlighter. And this Milani All Over Blending Brush. Okay, for the lips, I'm going to use MAC Chestnut, Dose of Colors Cork, Dose of Colors Supernatural, and top that off with Fenty Lip Gloss in Diamond Milk. Thank you guys so much for rocking with your girl. We made it through another video. I hope you liked it. And remember, if you did like it, don't forget to hit like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your notification button for when I upload more looks. Anywho, thank you so much again. Toodaloo. Bye until next time.